Are you ready to take your Canva designs to the next level? In this video, I will show you how to create a stunning clipping mask in Canva. Whether you are designing for social media, presentation, or personal projects, this technique will add a professional and creative touch to your work. So let's dive right in. First, open Canva in your Chrome browser. For this tutorial, I will use a picture of a cat as an example. Let's search for a cat image. This one looks perfect. Now I will select a square shape and adjust it to completely cover the cat image. Once the square is in position, click on the three dots in the toolbar. Go to Layer and select Send to Back. Now the square shape is sitting behind the cat. Now click on the cat image and select Edit. On the side toolbar, scroll down and find the duotone option. Choose Cherry from the presets. Then adjust the highlight and shadow color to pure white. Once you are happy with it, click Share at the top of the page and download the image. After downloading, drag and drop this image back in Canva. Add a new page and place the image on it. Click on the BG Remover option to make the white areas of the cat shape transparent, creating a vector mask. Now let's add an image inside this mask. For example, I will choose a forest image. Drag the forest image into the canvas and place it behind the cat shape. Adjust the size and position of the forest image so it's fit perfectly within the cat outline. And just like that, your clipping mask is ready. This method works for other shapes too, so feel free to get creative with your designs. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.